Hello guys, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how we can charge amount using Stripe. So here I am going to create my account first of all. So I have entered my email here and my country, and here is the password. Okay. So I have entered the password and I will click on sign up. Here you can see now the account is created successfully. Okay, so I will click on get started here, and here it is loading the complete dashboard again. Okay, so here is the complete dashboard and we can see here. So first we need to check the APIs which we are going to use. Okay, so I will click here on the browse developer docs, and here from here I can see the API details. Okay, I will click on here get started and Stripe checkout. From here I will select only API. Okay, and here is the complete API detail, and I am going to use only few APIs for charging the card. Okay, so here you can see this is the charges API and this is the charge object. Here this is the complete charge object, and from this API we can create a charge app. That means we can deduct money from a debit card or credit card. Okay, so before going through all the details, I would like to download the Postman collection of Stripe. So I have here, we can see here this is the Postman collection URL, and we can download the complete Postman collection from here as a zip, and by doing that unzipping we can see here Stripe API Postman collection.json file is here. So we need to import that in our Postman. So I have done that already. I have downloaded the zip folder from here, and after extracting the folder I have imported this Stripe API collection into the Postman. So you can see here, let me show you that. Okay, so from here I will download the Postman collection, and I have to download the Postman collection. I will go to here and then I will click on download zip, and here you can see the download is successful, and I will open the folder path and then I will extract it. Okay, and from here is the Stripe Postman collection. So what I will do, I will import this collection right here in my Postman. So I will click on import here, and from the file I will click on upload file, and I will look for the path of my file. So that is in the downloads, and here is the collection. Okay, so I just need to click here import, and that's it. Here you can see Stripe API. I will mark it as start so that it will be at the top. Not that sample API, sorry, this is a Stripe API. Okay, so here is the complete collection of APIs. So to make a charge or to charge a card, a debit card, we need to use the three APIs. Okay, so I am going to use the three APIs. The first API is going to be the token API. Okay, create a card token. So before doing that, I have to add, this is the card detail. You can see this is the basically test card detail, and it is already filled. I am going to use this, and here I need to pass the authorization. If I will not pass that, then it will not authorize the request. So you can see invalid API key provided. So I need to provide the API key, and to provide API key I need to select here basic auth, and I need to get the API key from here, from the dashboard of Stripe. So here you can see this is the secret key, which is the I button. Here you need to click on this I button. Okay, and then you need to copy here, and then I will enter it here in the username. Okay, so that's it what we need to do. And here let me call it again. So okay, the expiry year is invalid, so I will go ahead and make it as a 22, and now I will send it again, and you can see here we got the response. Okay, so this is basically the token ID. Okay, I will keep it here, and then I will click, create a, I need to basically, this is the final API, the charges, this is the final API which I need to call to deduct the balance from the card. Okay, let me add here again the same thing. So I will again click in base card, and it will be selected automatically the detail. Okay, so here you can see this is the charges API which I need to call. Okay, so now I need to create a customer. So to create a customer, I need to call this API create a customer, and again here I need to select the authorization. Okay, so here you can see this is the complete field detail. I'm not going to change anything. I will just change here the source, and what I will enter here in source, I will copy the card token ID. This is the token ID. I will copy this, and I will put it here as a source. Okay, so this is the token ID. I have passed it here, and I will click on here the send button to create a customer. So you can see the customer is created now. Okay, and this is the customer ID. So I will copy this customer ID from here, and I will move to the create a charge API, and from here I do not need this as source here. What I will do, I will check this, and then I will pass this as a ID, as a customer ID here. Okay, and then I do not need to make a transaction in USD, because currently I'm in India. If you are in other country like USD or UK, then you have to select your or enter your currency. So I am entering here the INR, okay, which is the Indian National Rupees. Okay, so now that's it. I need to enter the only three details here: amount, currency, and the customer. Okay, and I will click on here send. Okay, so now you can see we are able to do the transaction successful. So you can see this is the charge ID, this is the transaction ID. Okay, so now using the API I am able to charge the to charge any transaction using the API. Okay, so if you want to learn more about this, okay, you need to dig into the Stripe API collection. Okay, so in this video Okay, I will also like to share. You can see again your charges here in the dashboard. You can go to reports here. Okay, okay, and you can go here in the payments. Okay, so you can see I did the transaction right here of 5 INR. So you can see here this is the 5 INR transaction. Okay, so here you can find all the details here in all the transactions here. Okay, so this is basically a test collection right now. Okay, so you can see this is the net amount charge. Okay, and this is the fee of transaction. Again, let me do one more transaction here. Okay, let me enter here 54. Okay, now I will do again one transaction, and you can see amount is 54 here, and I will click on here. Okay, let me refresh it from here. Okay, right now you can see. Okay, I have entered here 54 only, then it took it as a 0.54 INR. Okay, so you can see if I am entering 500, then it is understanding it as a 5.00, only 5 INR. Okay, okay, let me enter here 5.00. $54.00. Let me click on send. Okay, so you can see here parameter invalid integer, so it must be integer value in the parameter amount. Okay, if I will enter here 5400, then now click let me click on send. Okay, click here all transactions. So you can see here now the transaction amount is 54. Okay, and by clicking on the transaction you can see the details, the complete details here. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you liked it. Okay, so like this you can perform any transaction here using the Stripe API. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I will also add the Postman collection in the description of the video.